Doing a short walk out in the food forest, and we've got some boletuses coming up and growing, and we're gonna make sure they're one of the ones we're supposed to eat. Although I got one I can't identify completely. We've eaten it and it doesn't, but as you can see, there's a bunch of them, and they're all down through here. And by the time my wife gets done, she won't have any room in her shirt. She'll be having me get some. Also, we have a, let me get around to a different tree so I can show this a little bit better. We have a pile of American chestnuts this year. They are going nuts. We got quite a few. They pollinated themselves. We did not pollinate any of them this year. Because of crazy work schedule. But the fly and beetle population has found them and said, oh, we can do something with this. And this little tree right here has had chestnuts on him pretty much every year, so we're pretty happy. Got some other stuff I want to show too. I talked about cutting down my hazels, and they've decided to respond. I'll pause in this and go help my wife with the mushrooms. With this, I'm going to do a video on the hazelnuts. And so is this one. Yeah, there they are right there. Yeah, I got my glasses on. Right here I have some catons on there. They also produce a caton, but they, like the chestnuts, but they do it in the winter. And then it pollinates. And as you can see, this is the one I bought from Ison's, and it's a hybrid. I wish I'd have bought 3 or 4 of them. It still hasn't produced a nut yet either, but anyway, he's loaded. And several of the others have some on. So I've got several things I got to take care of before I go to work today. So I'm going to let this go. But I did want to show that, I don't know if I showed this one or not, but this little plant just is an overachiever. He always has been. So he got lots and lots of catons, or lots and lots of chestnuts on him. So he's one, if I was going to try to graft something onto one of the wild ones, he'd be the one I'd choose. So anyway, also I'll do a real quick one on my pawpaws too. 2 of my pawpaws are taken off. And this one here is really starting to grow nicely, and that one over there. This one has had the flower on it the last 2 years, so maybe I'll put some stuff out and try to get a lot more flies to pollinate. But I'm getting plenty of flies because that's what they're mostly being pollinated by, is the flies and the beetles. So, all right, I'm gonna let this go. And if you enjoy this sort of thing, I would ask you to subscribe. And this is just another video from the food forest, and threw some scratch out for the chickens today, so they'd scratch around and clean up a few areas, which is a task they really enjoy if the scratch is involved. So also let my babies out today. They're getting about 3/4 size, so let them out to join in. So all right, and if you enjoy it, I would ask you to subscribe. Bye.